In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grille trim piece. This is the part that goes right underneath the headlights, attaches to the grille on your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. To remove this piece, now of course if you're replacing it, it's most likely because it's broken, so it may not even exist here for you, but to remove it, there are 4 tabs, 2 on each side, so 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, right about here and here, and I'm using a pick to get in there because it's the smallest, slimmest tool I have that reaches back there. And on the top, the tabs, you want to press them down to unlock them. From the bottom, you actually want to push them up. So, and basically imagine pinching it like this and pulling it out. So I can show you the tabs once it's out, but once you unlock it, even just one on each side, oh, this one popped right out, but basically what you want to do is you can see these tabs here. These top ones, like I said, push down, one here, and then on the bottom, if you need to get in there with a pick from the bottom, push up on this and up on this, and the more you pop off, the easier this will slide out. And there it is. This piece will have some areas that actually clip in. These tabs that stick out need to slide in between the base and the clips. So at the top would be this part and the clip. You need to slide those in between so that it can actually clip together. It might be a little bit challenging to do, but once you get it aligned, you will be able to press it on and it should click into place. Just like that. Do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.